part is utilized as a living area. Once you enter the kitchen area, you can again check out the beautiful master bedroom, and this is the spacious room of your beautiful house. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Brent Espera, which is located in Avalahalli, Budigiri Cross, East Bangalore. And this project is developed by Brent Corporation. And today we are here to check out the 3 BHK model flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So as you can check out, this is the actual land parcel, and behind me is the marketing office of Brent Espera. And about the land parcel is just on my right hand side where the construction work is going on. Now what exactly Housey is? So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because now Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project with the help of this beautiful 3D model, and this project will be constructed on total 4.39 acres of land parcel consisting of 2 towers having 2 basement, ground plus 26 floors with purely 3 BHK residencies in different variants. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you luxurious amenities like there is 21,000 square feet of grand clubhouse, including all the indoor amenities like gymnasium and other amenities. Other amenities like swimming pool, here comes the garden area, kids play area, this is the multi-purpose court, jogging track, basketball court, open gymnasium and many more. And now let me show you the connectivity. So basically this road is the old Madras highway, and this side you can connect towards Kattamanallur, and the opposite side road that is just behind me you can connect to Avanahalli. And now this project is just located opposite to Decathlon. Decathlon is 1 kilometers away from the project. Hirandanahalli is 1.1 kilometers. With Orion Uptown Mall is 2.5 kilometers from the location of the project. Now let's have a look at your 3 BHK of 1860 square feet super built up area. So here we start. So this is the main entrance, and once you enter you can check out the foyer area for your privacy purpose. And now from here comes your L-shaped living and the dining area. So this part is utilized as a living area where you can set a sofa set, your couch and a TV unit as well. Now which is attached to the balcony as well. So this is the balcony area with anti-skid tiles, iron railing, and this balcony is 3-side covered, giving you a perfect view of the city. Now once you move out from here, this side comes the dining area exactly in front of your kitchen area. So this space you can utilize as a dining area. You can check out how they've set a dining table over here, and this is the open kitchen. So once you enter the kitchen area, you can again check out the beautiful interior work done with the platforms, the cabinets, and over this side comes the utility area, which is divided by a tile rope to avoid the water spillage, and this is anti-skid tiles in your utility area with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and even the machine provision. So there is a 2 machine provision, one for dishwasher and another one for the washing machine. Now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom space. So your 1 bedroom is on my left hand side, another 2 bedroom on my right hand side over here. So let's move further towards your bedroom number 1. Here comes your bedroom number 1. You can check out the space with the ample of space to move around in the room. With the bed space, they have even added up over a table over here. And here comes a window for ventilation and the lighting purpose. Now about the wardrobe, which is over this side, and beside that is your attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now once you move out from this bedroom, exactly beside this bedroom is over here the bedroom number 2, and this is that bedroom with the huge bed space, the wardrobe space, the window over here for ventilation and lighting purpose, Now about the wardrobe space, which is over this side. So here you can set a huge wardrobe. Now I'll be moving further towards your master bedroom, but before that let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tool with such sample and model flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tool. All these wonderful features only under Housey.com. You do not have to roam here and there. So quickly register for free and schedule your free site visit. Now let's move further. So once you move out of the bedroom, let me show you. Here comes the common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now for the master bedroom, you have to walk through your dining and the living area. Crossing your dining and the living area, here we are entering towards your master bedroom, and this is the spacious room of your beautiful house. With a bed space, even they have added up a chair and a table for your workspace over here. And one thing, here comes the balcony. The balcony, one of my favorite space, where you can have a sip of coffee and enjoy the beautiful scenic view with anti-skid tiles in your balcony, iron railing, and this balcony is also 3-side covered. About your wardrobe, so this side they have set up a table and a chair, beside is a wardrobe over here and your attached washroom. So this is the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now as you all know, we are here near Budagiri Cross. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you are looking for more details of this project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.